We guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Android. First, restart your Android phone and Wi-Fi router to refresh the connection. If the problem continues, go to Settings, open Wi-Fi, tap your connected network, and choose Forget Network. Reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. Then next, enable and disable airplane mode for a few seconds to reset your network connection. You can also check if your date and time settings are correct by going to Settings and enabling automatic date and time. If the issue remains, clear your network settings by going to Settings, System Reset Options, and selecting Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Make sure your Android system is updated and check if other devices can connect to the same Wi-Fi. If only your phone has the problem, these fixes should help restore your internet connection and get your Wi-Fi working properly again.